Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. So if you could tell from the thumbnail, this video is all about cleaning my closet. It is a disaster zone. It is way too full. I have got a decade's worth of clothes in here and shoes and handbags and all the accessories, and I have got to go through it. So come along with me and get organized and get lots of motivation in this video, and let's get right into it. Okay, so I did some research when I was deciding what method I wanted to use cleaning out my closet because honestly, this project gives me a little bit of an overwhelmed feeling. I don't really enjoy doing it because I have a hard time parting with clothes. I don't know if I just think, oh, I might need to wear this again, or I still really like it, or I even remember buying it and being excited. Either way, I have a hard time clearing out a good closet, especially when it's my stuff. And so I did some research, and the method I kind of landed on that I thought would work well for me was taking all of the clothes out and then only putting back in the closet stuff that you want to keep. And so going through it while it's out of your closet and then putting it back. And so originally when I started this project, I thought I would kind of work on sections at a time just because big messes stress me out. And so I did start, and you can kind of see my face here. I was stressed. But so I did start this process, just one section. And then, I don't know, then I looked back in and I thought, oh, I'll just do another section. And sure enough, I ended up getting almost all of my clothes out. So the only clothes that I left in my closet, and I will do just like another day, honestly, I can't get it done today, are like dresses and that sort of thing. But I took out all of my tops, and then skirts, jeans, like dress pants for work, that sort of thing. And then I have a lot of jackets. I had no idea I was so into jackets until I was cleaning up this closet. I've got a lot of coats and jackets. Anyways, so I ended up taking everything out and then kind of just threw out the idea, I'm not going to do it section by section. I'm just going to get it all done. It worked pretty well. I don't know if I could have done it any other way. So here I am looking at, I'd gotten all the shirts out at this point, and then I see all the jackets remaining and then all of my pants. And I was going, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and just get it all out now. So anyways, I liked the method of taking everything out of your closet and then only putting back in the stuff you want to keep. I thought that was a pretty good idea. So if you're looking for a strategy for yourself, if you need to clean out a closet, I definitely recommend this one. And I don't know, I also recommend starting early in the day because if you're like me, your energy kind of plummets in the afternoon. And so I got right after it on this day that I filmed this video. I just started cleaning pretty quickly and I needed it because it took me a long time. Okay, so now we are in the second step of this process, and that is going through each item one by one and deciding if you want to keep it or get rid of it. So, what you see me doing right now is going through pants like dress slacks. There's some workout pants right here and a lot of different types of jeans. And I'm going through one by one, and I've got stacks going. And so I have a get rid of stack and a keep stack. And then I have a toss because they are totally worn out and they are ready to go. And then I have a donation bag area. So I'm going to donate what is still in good condition and usable. And then I'm going to just throw away the stuff that is worn out because I've had it so long and I've just used all of the life. And then I'm going to have an area where I'm going to make sure that they're rehung nicely and then just kind of stacked ready to go back in my closet. So this process is definitely the longest part of the process of cleaning out my closet. That's what I figured out anyways, is this was what took me the longest. Primarily because I had to look at the items to see if they were still in good condition, but I also had to look at the size. Like I said, I have not cleaned out my closet in at least a decade. I have stuff from college in here, and I have 4 kids. And so I've had pregnancies. And so I found maternity pants in here. And then the time, kind of when you're just getting back to your normal size after pregnancy. So I just had a bunch of different sizes of clothes in here too. And I decided to only keep the stuff that fits like today. If I tried it on today and it fit, I'm keeping it. If it was too big or too small or did not feel good, if I did not, enjoy wearing it, I'm just getting rid of it. So I think that's kind of taking the pressure off too. I'm not going to save it for a rainy day. If it doesn't work today, it's going out the door. And I think that was really freeing to me. I've never kind of given myself the opportunity just to toss things and get them out of my closet that don't fit today. And that was so helpful. So try that if you have a hard time parting with things. Just give yourself the opportunity to only keep the stuff you like and that fits your body today. Okay, so I'm kind of wrapping up the portion of cleaning out my closet where I'm going through the items and I'm fixing to start kind of putting things back into my closet. So I ended up starting with just pants, getting those organized. And before I put like my workout pants, so like leggings, joggers, kind of anything that's soft, I decided not to hang those back up, but instead to use these clear bin boxes. And so I'm going to try this method. I'll let you know if I can keep it organized. It's always kind of up in the air if it's a system that can work for me. I have to change systems often and just kind of play around with see what works well for me. Um, I don't know. It's just not definitely not a one size fits all thing with keeping your stuff organized, I think. And I think it changes depending on how busy you are in any particular season of life and just kind of what you have on your plate too. So I'm going to go ahead and put leggings, workout pants, joggers, that sort of thing in these bins, and I'm going to put those up. And then I'm going to organize my pants. And then I lost a lot of footage when I was editing this video, and I'm so sorry about that. But I did go through all of my shirts. These are the hangers that I had left over, which I'm so proud of. That really just makes you feel like you really did a good job cleaning out your closet. So I know it's not perfect, but it is like this is pretty good for me. So anyways, cleaned out the closet. I only kept the shirts and pants that I like and that fit today, and that feels so good. It also feels really good just to have the stuff that I want to donate bagged up and ready to go. I will show some images of that at the end of the video, but I'm going to take them to be donated today. I'm going to get this stuff out of my house today and just get this whole project done. I'm not going to let it linger, and that feels really good too. Just going to mark it off my list. Yay, it's finished. So I want to let you know that if you watch these videos, I appreciate you so much. If you are new to my channel, would you consider subscribing? It helps my channel a lot. And I really do hope that you find these videos encouraging and motivating, and that I don't know, that you can just find joy if you watch my videos. I really hope that they are a positive aspect of your life. Okay, y'all, here's the kind of finished product. I was so excited. So I ended up with multiple bags from my closet and then a few bags from the kids' playroom. They cleaned out their playroom over the weekend. So I'm going to take these all to be donated. And yay, the house is cleaner. So I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.